as compared to other systems. So, the first thing you'll notice when you download Spark, and I definitely encourage you all to do so today, is that right away you'll be able to be productive. So this is actually something that shouldn't be understated. If you come from maybe a Java background like I do, you're kind of used to a lot of overhead before you get to the point of actually writing some code and seeing what happens. And especially, given that for like Hadoop environments, we're used to downloading a virtual machine, or for, Java application servers, you typically have to, install and start up Tomcat, let's say, right? None of that is the case with Spark. You can basically immediately open the interactive shell and start working with the API right away. So as soon as you download the project, you unzip it, you open the shell, and you can play with the API. And so again, I encourage you guys to do that. And then in terms of what code you're going to write in the shell, there are options, which, everyone's got their own favorite language, and so we provide an API for different individuals. And you can see here that, there's a Python API. Spark itself is written in Scala, and so there's also a Scala API. And then there's also a Java API. But you can see that of those three choices, Java is, the most verbose, maybe not the most elegant. But fortunately, with Java 8, they're providing Lambdas, and so we're looking to add support for that in an upcoming release, where the syntax that for writing a Java program looks very similar to Scala and Python and reduces the amount of code you have to write by taking advantage of the Lambda support. So that's one of the aspects of making Spark very easy to use. Once you're in this shell and working with the API, what the API provides is the core abstraction is what's called a resilient distributed data set, or an RDD. And basically what you do is define these data sets by pointing to, let's say, a text file that might